Hello everyone, welcome back to JovanoCrypto. I wish you all a happy weekend, a good weekend to come, and let's dive into Bitcoin again. Yesterday I drew this, it was some sort of parallel channel. Let me draw it for you guys. It was something like this, and it's not all exact of course, but that's okay. And what I said in that video was that I expected a move to the 45.5. We were right here, and I also said we do have a bearish divergence like this. We have higher highs there, and we made lower highs on the 1 hour time frame. So it's not that big of a time frame, but bearish divergence in a downtrend most of the times plays out. Anyway, I was still expecting it to bounce off here and go to that 45.5 to do the big retest of this range we were in the last few weeks. And that didn't happen. It broke down with the 1 hour bearish divergence, which I also said was a option, and that happened. And with that we broke the support here again, and we're now retesting one level lower. That's how it works. If you lose one support, you go to the next and you test that. So yeah, we lost the 43.5 and we are now on the 42.3 support. And because we're in a downtrend and on all the time frames we're in a downtrend, I expect that to continue now because the 1 hour uptrend is now broken, and chances are big that we're gonna go down here, test lower levels, maybe then go up and go down a bit more. Yeah. So what also is a possibility is that we could maybe retest this 43.5 and then go lower again. The bullish scenario to still go up to this 43.5, for that we would need to hold this 42.3. And we would have to reclaim this, retest it, and then go higher again. But for now the bearish scenario is likelier again because we're in a downtrend on every time frame, and yeah, that's just the situation. So if you look at it on the 4 hour, as you can see, last time we did the dump here and we went to 39, right? The RSI was very, very low. And right now what you can see is we made this move up, and the RSI on the 4 hour reset to 64. So that's quite high again, pretty much completely reset. And on the daily we also got room now again. So the thing is, if we start losing this support also again, and we also lose this one, we have the steam to go lower. We could go a bit lower, and these are the levels I'm watching if we do. So 37, 39, and after that 37. And the chance is pretty much there that if we do go lower, we will make a let's draw a trend line here. We will probably make a bullish divergence, and after that we could start going higher again. So that's definitely a possibility. But do keep in mind the RSI is pretty nicely reset now, and we could continue down. It's possible. Also on the daily, we created this low, and for the lows for RSI divergence you need to take the bodies. So we closed at 41.5, so there is a possibility that we make one more leg lower, like this, to maybe 40.5 or 39. And in the worst case, well, if you're trading it's not the worst case because it's nice, you can just take trades based on it. We could go to 37.4. The fact is though, if we do go to these 39 or the 40, I think we will make a higher low here. That possibility is there, and that would mean bullish divergence on the daily time frame, which is strong. That's a strong sign that we could reverse. But if we go to that 37.4 and we also lose the 39, we could make a lower low here, and that would mean there's no divergence. But even if we don't have any divergence, being this low on the daily RSI most of the times results in a relief rally. So I still think the downside is for the short-term time frame is limited to, I think, this 37.4, and of course you never know that for sure. Anything can happen with Bitcoin and markets, so you never know. But I think this could be the worst case before a relief rally to maybe 46, 48. So yeah, let's see how it plays out. And so that's on the somewhat bigger time frames. On the short-term time frame, there are some trading possibilities. This is a place for a scalp. I also did that. I longed here at 42.3 and I actually got out at this 43. So if you're a short-term time frame trader, you can just enter long on the support in these ranges and enter short on the resistances. So you could actually, if it does a retest here, you could take a small short here. I sometimes do that, but I like to trade on the 4 hour a bit more. 4 hour and 1 day time frames. So yeah, what do I expect now? Basically either we go down straight to this 41 again, or we do a retest of this 43.5 and then go down. After going down to maximum 37.4 like I said, but I think we bounce earlier, 39 or 40 in my opinion. After that I think we go up to again test this 45.5, which we haven't done yet, and I think that's necessary. So that's what I'm expecting right now. And maybe if we go a bit lower here and reset everything completely again, we will make some type of double bottom here on the daily time frame. Yeah, we would make some type of double bottom, which maybe would give us the strength to break through the 45.5 if we do attempt it. So who knows, we're gonna have to see how it plays out. For now we just have to wait what happens here at the support in the short-term time frame. So that's it for Bitcoin. One fun thing that I'm doing right now, and by the way guys, I haven't said that in any video yet. I'm just starting out, so I haven't got any viewers yet, but I'm gonna say it anyway. I'm not a financial advisor, so none of this is financial advice, and you have to do your own research and do not ever base your trades or ideas off of me. You can of course use what I tell you in this video, but if you click on the buy or sell button, that's on you. So this is Dogecoin. Elon made a tweet again today saying that they will accept payments with Doge, and I've made it somewhat my ritual to short the pumps on the on the Elon tweets. So yeah, what I'm seeing here is that on the 1 hour we have a massive bearish divergence. You can see that here, just huge bearish divergence. And yeah, we're still in a downtrend on most cryptos, also on Doge. This is probably gonna retrace the whole move, or at least a big part of it. If I take it from the complete bottom to this top, it's probably gonna retrace to the 786 or the 618, which is a huge trade. If you would take it from here, that's still 15% up to 20% trade, which is just huge. And this is just people FOMOing in, and it's based on nothing but Elon's tweet. So with the bearish crypto markets at this moment, this is probably gonna retrace everything. So I shorted this. I entered at 0.20 some time ago, and I'm gonna leave it open for a while. I expect it to retrace almost everything. And just to show you how that works out, this was the last Elon pump. Let's take the Fibonacci here also, right from bottom to the top. And as you can see, last time, same thing. It pumps hard, everyone thinks it's breaking out, they FOMO in. And yeah, it retraces to the 786 and even below it. So last time that was a trade of 26%, insane. Yeah, that's just insane. So let's say last time it went under the 786. So let's see what that would look like right now. So that would mean we could go under 15 cents again. Of course, it can also fail. So I've got my stop loss above the last high. But honestly, this is looking quite like a nice shorting opportunity. So I wanted to show you guys that. Alright, that's it from me today. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Trade safe and be careful always. Have your own plan. Don't let others decide what you're doing. Always have your own strategy and plan. Okay, with that being said, guys, have a nice weekend and I'll see you next time.